Welcome to Fixit Dubai, where we bring your dream spaces to life. In today's video, we'll be transforming your romantic balcony perfect for relaxing and unwinding. Stay tuned as we explore beautiful decor tips and styling ideas to make your balcony the ultimate romantic getaway. Let's get started. Thanks for watching. We hope these romantic balcony design ideas inspire you to create your own dreamy outdoor space. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more creative home design tips and tricks. Stay tuned for our next video,